Our people have the experience through all those years of working with different businesses in different situations to understand how to marry a business requirement with the functionality of the software. Protelo is a consulting company that is helping businesses with their investment in IT, in information technology.
The challenges we see a lot with the businesses that we help are lack of visibility, lack of unity across the business, and lack of efficiency. We partner with NetSuite Enterprise Resource Planning Systems to help solve these challenges and help businesses become modern enterprises. Working with Protelo for NetSuite Professional Services, you will receive implementation, support and best practices, design and development, and user training, and health check and system optimization.
What Protelo can do is come in, do an analysis of your system to see what kind of setup that you have, and also take a look at some of the practices within each department that you're actually using. And then we can recommend the best practices from the hundreds of different companies that we've had experience with, and help bring that knowledge to your company to help you succeed and thrive in those specific areas.
Working with Protelo for NetSuite Professional Services, you will receive direct access to experts, on-demand service, no upfront costs or minimums, and a United States-based team of experts.
But what I love the most about our consultants is the passion they have for our customers' business. There's nothing more powerful than someone who really cares about the person they're serving. And that's what I love about our people.